See that? I know your friends.
Kaya nga eh.
I'm on TikTok and like, ah!
Sorry, bro.
Wait, dapat may title dito. Ano mag-title?
Live, ay. The title of your Meet Your Rain. That's so witty.
Yeah, but I know, right? I know, right? I'm so witty, no?
You thought of that?
Now it's like someone mentioned Meet Your Rain. I was like, yeah, that's it. Kasi Meet Your Rain. I'm so smart, no?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you did not think of that?
No, I said Meet Your Rain because like...
Wow, you didn't think of that?
No.
Wow! See, it's so like many meanings in one. Meet Your Rain, tapos parang
Meet Your Rain.
Tapos Meet Your Rain. Amazing! Hi guys. So this is my live. 30 minutes before album launch. Tickets are out. Kaya pa. Hi guys! So it's gonna be... So guys, you can get your tickets at SM, all the SM malls, bro. And smtickets.com. Boom! So excited, guys! I'm so excited. Okay, so ano yun? Also, what can you expect from the launch? What can you expect? So you can see very many different sides of Rain there. Legit. I'm excited to show the... Can you show your shirt po? May guest po tayo eh. Yes! Yes! Okay, kain ka na po.
But Rain. Meet Your Rain.
Bro, so energetic. Yes, dapat lang.
We have to.
Dapat lang. We have 29 minutes before the tickets are out. SM on smtickets.com or SM Cinema booth sa mga SM malls. Fire, fire. Hi daw, Ate Jazz. Yes, Ate Jazz here to support me, so she's eating beside me.
Yes, support Your Rain.
Hi, I'm excited. Amen. Okay, guys, I'm so excited to show you my songs and to let you hear it. Kasi I've written. I co-wrote with 3 songs in the album. That's half my songs in the album. Oh!
Are your songs English?
So,
Tagalog?
that's yun yung tanong nila, so I won't answer it muna. Para,
It's
you know,
a surprise.
Surprise.
But what can they expect with the songs when they listen to it?
Sa songs. So, my songs are very, well, thank you for the host. May host po tayo
Yes,
dito.
my host, shadow host.
Yes! So, for my album, guys, di lang siya R&B you can hear, bro. You can also hear, like that. Basta, you can feel many emotions sa songs ko. You can also dance to it. You can also, sing your heart out. And, basta, I swear, you're gonna love it because I love it. Ate just loves it. You love
I
it.
love it.
She loves it. Dapat lang.
When did you start?
Wow, I love it!
I'm your host.
Yes.
When did you start, like, preparing for your album? I know. Did I know?
How do you know?
I'm your Ate Jazz.
Tama.
You
How come
tell me
I forgot?
everything.
Oh.
It's like in January.
Yeah, January. No? Yeah, I started January. I recorded the first song there, January. Yes. And now, it's finally almost out. That's so crazy! That's so crazy! Ang tagal ko na kayong tinitis sa mga pictures ko sa recording studio. Yes! Ivan is gonna be in the Spotify. It's on Spotify. All streaming platforms. Crazy. Yun na, guys. Ba't ka kinakabahan? Don't be kaba. Just manifest positive energy. Sold out tayo, Jess. Can I just say Jess?
Yes.
Love you guys. I'm so excited. So excited.
Who's watching us then? Who's watching?
Who's watching?
Who's gonna buy tickets for that? Who's watching your...
Oh! Jeremy G is nandito! Hey! Hey! Maybe, huwag na. Baka may mas-spill pa ako. Hi, kay Dylan is watching din.
Bili ka ng ticket.
Mabili na kayo ng tickets. Mabili na kayo, guys. Faster, faster. Nabutan. Look, wala pa pa. 26 minutes before it's out. Yes. You wanna see me dance?
So growing up, Rain,
Wow, my...
who's like an artist that inspired you? Or like you said, like someday I'm gonna write songs similar to that vibe.
I was like, in local, si ano, Casey Tangigan and Moira de la Torre. Talaga sila po talaga. Like, I listen to their songs and I'm like, how? I aspire to create music ganyan din. To touch people's heart na ganun na way. I'm like, whoa. Sa international naman, no Billie Eilish. I know that you love me. Ayun.
Right. Right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. But these days, whoa! I'm excited. Where's the concert? Sky Dome, guys. 7 p.m. on May 30. Kaya, get your tickets na. All SM malls, bro. All. Punta lang kayo sa SM Cinema booth and then you guys go like, can I get a ticket for Meet Your Rain?
But also online.
Go. Yes, also in smtickets.com. So guys, so much, pag you don't want to go out, you can just go on your phone. Boom, chakalaka. Ah! Rain, ilang song kakantahin mo? If you wanna know, get a ticket now. Yes, Skydome. Can't wait to see me. Can't wait to see you all. YouTube on TV. We always do that at home. Tapos yung
You're
songs-
so young when you said YouTube on TV. Hindi ko ba nakapit ng free TV?
What do you mean free TV?
I mean like TV, like,
Naabutan ko naman, but
but
like,
you rarely watch.
but mas nasi ko sila YouTube on TV. Their songs always play on my TV. Kasi that's like what we do at home talaga. So yun, talaga bro. Before, I used to play the song Beanie by Jeremy G on TV. On TV, a lot! I always watch the MV with Beanie Aya and Kuya Jeremy. I just watch it and I'm like,
And now you're working
who is that guy dancing with Aya bro? And then now I'm writing a song with him. Now he's producing a song for me. Wow! What a dream come true! Dati gusto ko lang siya suntukin, tapos now we're working together.
Suntok mo ba?
Hindi naman, mabait kasi si Kuya Jeremy.
Slay.
Slay. I'm excited. I think I also want to collab with, Jasmine Hernandez.
Gal.
Oh yeah.
If international.
International.
Billie Eilish.
Yeah, Billie Eilish, Bruno Mars.
Bro.
Bruno Mars, bro.
Justin Bieber.
Yeah, but then like, you won't hear the difference. I'm gonna get. Tama na.
Ramatyado.
Yeah, if you wanna hear many. Basta guys, bro, I'm so excited talaga. You should listen to my album talaga. May 30, 7 p.m. Skydome. Get your tickets now. I mean, in 20 minutes. Wala pa.
And there's a meet and greet.
Oo nga, what is that? Bakit naging, what the hell? Wait like that.
Ay, bakit may filter?
Bakit may filter? How did I do that? Ay, okay. My fault pala.
Okay, so how much are you taking?
So yeah, guys. Good. Yeah, so may tatlong tickets, guys. SVIP, super very important person. VIP and regular. Pero sa SVIP, guys, there's a meet and greet. So, depende naman sa inyo kung gusto niyo ako i-meet at i-greet. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Woo. And the poster for my album, it's just temporary, guys. Buy tickets, yes, Ate Brie, yes. Sorry. Jeremy G has good news kasi daw.
Share.
We were at the stars. Let's get the questions.
Can you slightly talk about, like,
What can we talk about?
What do you want the listeners to feel
Oh.
when they listen to your songs?
So, guys,
or what inspired you for those songs?
Thank you for the wonderful question. So, kasi songs it's just not one. So, some of my songs, I want you guys to feel like you wanna dance. Yun. Like, you wanna feel like,
Vibing.
Yeah, vibe. Yung other songs naman, I want you guys to feel like, I'm gonna spoil talaga. Let me just explain it through actions. So, some songs are, and some songs are, yes.
So different emotions.
Yeah, of
But it's
course.
very Rain.
Yes, very versatile. Like Rain. Versatility Rain. Meet your Rain, guys. Do you wanna meet your Rain? Ooh, fire.
Quality.
May pang thirst trap ba dyan, Mon? Alright. Ang cute na eh. You know, I didn't expect it to be this small. Is it like that? Pang baby. For specific questions about my song, I don't want to spoil it yet, guys. I feel like it deserves to be a surprise.
But you have 6 songs.
Yes. I don't know if you guys know that. I think they do.
You said kanina.
I did?
Yeah.
Oo nga pala. Ah.
Yes, it's watching from where?
What was watching from where?
Like, who's watching my concert and saan pa kayo galing?
Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, you know, someone commented na you're gonna fly from California to see me and meet your naman. Aww. Invite nyo naman, guys.
I got goosebumps.
Diba? When I saw that, I'm like, I'm so touched. Kasi you can, of course, no way, you know? Kasi of course, diba, there's another option naman, you just wait for your videos online. Pero, she really wants to see me live and she is willing to fly from California. Thank you so much. This is why you're gonna see the best version of Rain in Meet Your Rain talaga. I'm so inspired to do so. Ooh, I will fly from Hong Kong, Reina, for you. What? Thank you po. We're gonna fly from Hong Kong.
Pasama na daw si Reina sa'yo.
Pabalik po, sama na po ako. I miss Hong Kong. Have you gone to Hong Kong?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so nice there.
Hong Kong.
Nakita mo ba yung green meteor na lumabas sa sky sa India? I know, right? Like, I saw a picture na there's a meteor na green dun sa India.
Ooh.
Is it today? Basta, I saw crazy yan. Wow! Wow! That's so crazy.
It's you.
Yo! Oh,
Because
you're crazy. Thank you.
It was because you announced your album launch.
Oo.
That's why lumabas yun.
I know, right? Wow. Crazy. Would you like to visit LU? I've gone to LU. Pero hindi ako masyadong nakapag-stay and enjoy kasi it was just a stopover. But it was already so nice. Grabe! Super witty ng Meet Your Rain. I know, thanks to the creatives as well kasi they mentioned, I was like, I want it to be something like this. Tapos, they mentioned Meet Your Rain. And I was like, yep! Let's do it! Kasi it also sounds like Meet Your Rain. Grabe, bro! Grabe! I'm smart! I cannot. Tapos, you know the meaning of Meet Your Rain, guys? Let me, like, be sure. Para, you know, I don't share false information. So, Meet Your Rain. Ooh. It's a celestial event where many meteors, bright streaks of light in the sky, that's meteors, are observed in a short period, typically originating from one point in the sky. So, like, many meteors falling down, you know? Like, Bisaya daw. What's going on? What's going on, Bong Gonzales? See you soon. Lapit na tayo magti-tape again. Ay. Yeah. Meet Your Rain. That's also where you can wish, diba? This is what I wished for. Meet Your Rain. Come on, you wanna meet your rain? Rain say pencil. Wala muna kayo spoiler, guys. Ano ba yan? Hello, Bensoyna Mocha. Tickets for Meet Your Rain in all SM malls, SM Cinema booth for to be exact, and smtickets.com. May SVIP, VIP, and regular. Ready to rumble, boom chakalaka. Let's go. Yo. Si Gemini. Hello. Hi, Joe Busgano. Pagkauna.
Ano yung ka?
Bong Gonzales, see you there. 12 minutes. Wait, I'm gonna go on the side. Some tickets. Bong Gonzales, see you there. 12 minutes. Wait, I'm gonna go on the side as well. Semtickets.com. It's so exciting. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you talaga difference. Also kasi, you know, before this whole thing, I was in a band sa school. Sa interview. I was in a band in school and I was a vocalist. But
What's the name of your band?
The Mars. Wow!
From Mars to Meteor.
Wow!
Got
No,
your
the Mars kasi it was like last minute kailangan pala namin ng name. So, last minute talaga we were like, oh, let's just combine our initials. Mars. Tapos yung kinanta namin nun, Grenade by Bruno Mars. So we were like, oh.
So all songs you sang Bruno
Hindi naman all, pero doon kami nag-champion sa Grenade. We won champion. Kahit I didn't have bosses. So I was like, crazy. I cried. I cried and then later on I was like, ba't ako umiyak? Wala namang prize. But like, it's,
Fulfilling.
yeah, fulfilling. Kasi talaga in the morning, I couldn't talk. I was like, hi. I couldn't talk. And I was so pressured. I was so scared. Kasi that was right after pandemic. So, it's been so long since I've got the opportunity to perform again. So, I wanted to do well. Tapos wala akong boses that day. So, I was like so scared. 10 minutes till SM tickets. I mean, till tickets for Meteor Rain. Whoa. Yeah, guys. I was in a band before. So, maybe lang naman, there's gonna be a band sa concert. Maybe. We're not sure. Basta. Maybe. Bless you.
Thank you. Sorry.
Yeah. Hello po, Mama Joy. My manager's watching. Come on, guys. Oh, 9 minutes! 9 minutes!
9 minutes na.
Where's it dito? Ay, mali pala to. Sim tickets. Wait lang, guys. Let's search smtickets.com. What do you... Oh!
Well, your name's gonna be very soon.
Whoa! Can I show this? I think so. Delikado to. Okay, guys, you can get a ticket here later. smtickets.com. Pero, in 9 minutes. 9 minutes!
9 minutes.
Ano pa bang storytelling masasabi ko sa inyo? Yeah! So, as you guys know, I also wrote some songs in bahay ni Kuya. Baka naman, I don't know, it's all maybes, guys. I'm not gonna confirm anything here. Baka you know, but like, not sure, so just get your tickets to answer all your questions. You will know. In Meteor Rain, Skydome, 7 p.m., May 30. Agoy. Pupunta friends mo from Jensen. Para, si Ate Colette po yun. Yes.
Cebu po si Ray.
Cebu po ako po. Yes, manifesting. Sold out. It's gonna happen.
So, reindeers.
Amen.
With all the rains up there.
Oh, ano, may mga... Guys, Hey, yo. Thank you so much, Calciferous. And basta the reindeers that worked hard to put this in a shirt. And sa mga nag-design. Collab... Ano ba yan, Bong Gonzales? Seven minutes! It's gonna come out here? Really? Bless you. Will Clover friends be there? I mean, kung gusto nyo malaman, get your tickets now! 7 p.m. Skydome! May 30. And also, maybe then, I'm gonna cover some songs there. You know, what do you guys want to see?
So aside from your 6 songs that you'll be singing, you're also gonna sing or cover. Might cover other songs. But if you will,
if I will, you will know if you buy a ticket.
no, like what songs do you guys?
Oo, tama. If I would cover sa launch ko, what do you guys want to hear? What song?
Plastic cover.
Uminom ka na. Iced tea, guys. Ate Jazz. 5 minutes! Wow. Bong Gonzales _ said grenade. If you will go there, I will sing that.
Bibilihan si Bong ng 10 tickets.
Good! Japanese denim. Ooh, Titanium. You know, pinsan ko pala yan, kaya pala. Titanium! That was the first time I sang on stage ata. Big stage. Kasi I had voice lessons. Tapos yung end nun, parang culmination, you have to sing sa stage. I sang Titanium. I am Titanium. Hi, Guava. Hi, Lord. Ay. All about Bruno Mars. Ooh, I was thinking, if I'm gonna sing a cover. Oh, hello, my best friend Ursula. It is watching. Meteor Rain. Wait long. Okay. 4 minutes. Oh, I was gonna play my song. Naka-live pala tayo. Ho! Good luck, ba sa exam niyo mo, ba? Ha? Nag-open yung tickets a while ago? That's crazy. I didn't know that. I can't even see my name here right now. Baka nandito na. Bilang parang lang. Okay. 3 minutes. Hey everyone! I'm beyond excited to announce my first ever album launch happening on May 30, 2025 at the SM North EDSA Skydome. Again, SM North EDSA Skydome. Whoa. It's going to be a night full of music, fun, and unforgettable moments, and I want you all to be part of it. Genuine. Come on, guys. Let's enjoy this together. Tickets are going to be out in 3 minutes via SM Tickets online and all SM Tickets outlets nationwide. Guys, I cannot wait to see you all there. Ho, ho, ho. Wait, commercial. Commercial, and I? Okay. 2 minutes! 2 minutes! Hello friends, Tyler and Dustin and... Sino pa? Hello po, Direct Ivan Payawo. Hello po. He's the director of Love at First Bite, guys. Wow, I'm also promoting Love at in June. Pwede na mag-buy? What? Where are they just?
What if select event? Where's R? I don't know.
Wala pa ate. 1 minute!
Okay, what if search?
Meteorate.
Yeah!
View event. Wow! That's my name! That's my face!
Okay, talk about this.
What is different from this? Is it more online?
I don't know. So which one is true?
A minute! Oh, may makita dyan. Oh! It's 3! Woo! Oh, it's okay. The stars have aligned. Wow, my ganon, may about. Can you read it, Miss Ma'am?
The stars have aligned for the brightest star of your generation. Join us for a cosmic celebration as we launch Rain Selmar's most anticipated album. Shower her with your love and support and be part of this unforgettable moment. Let's make the night sparkle with music. Wow, mga magic ka dun?
Yes!
Music, magic, and memories. Meet Your Rain album launch and fan meet this May 30, 2025 at SM North EDSA Skydome. Woo!
Ha!
It's 3:01, pero bakit wala pa?
Meron na daw eh. Ay, may ganun. How to like see?
Oh, you have to log in?
Anong tawag eh? Meron ka?
Wala rin. I-ask them if may nakabili na.
Paki-translate po yung Tagalog.
Ay, sorry po. Were you speaking Bisaya?
No, that was English.
Oh.
Yung si Bong Gonzales.
Hey, Bong.
Hey, Bong.
Nasabi ni Iska, I see you in your dream. Wag lang sa dream. Pakita, puntahan mo na sa Skydome.
Reese.
Slay. Go, guys!
Ano may kon?
Buy your tickets now. Support Rain.
Tayo. Makikita. What are you doing?
Try na siya.
Oh, okay. It's out.
Wow.
Tama. Soldat sila na yan. Come on, let's pray, Ate Jess.
Gently. Go, let it go!
I can't do this though. Paano to?
Oh, may nagsiya sa May 30.
See ya! See you. Yes. Sino na sa inyo nakabili ng tickets for Meteor? For Meteor Rain? Sino na sa inyo nakabili? Bro. Let's go! Ate Jess, nakabili ka na ba?
Nakabili na, tapos na.
Oh, yes! Tularan niyo si Ate Jess. Helen the Skills.
Sino na nakabili?
Ooh! Mine po sa shirt ni Ate Jess.
Pag pupunta kayo sa 30.
Punta na kayo, guys. Okay, pa-commercial again.
Si Anne.
Commercial.
May commercial.
Yes, it's Ate Ann. Thank you so much!
Bili na kayo.
Bili na kayo!
Si
Yes!
Reina.
Yes! Nahilo ko sa host natin na dancer din. Wow, sabi niya, mayroon akong 2. Yung isa, bibigay ko sa bebe ko.
Ay, sana
Ay,
all.
okay. Sige po. Sige. Ah, sana marami, sabihin ko sana marami bebe mo, pero bad pala yun. So, yes, pumunta kayo ng bebe mo doon. Let's go! From El Nido, Palawan. Hello po. You also gonna see me in Palawan, June 14. See you there.
Pero syempre, dapat sa
But,
Slido.
I think we should see each other in Skydome muna. May 30. May 30? May 30! Skydome. Huh?
Ikit mo yun. Dun.
Yun din yun eh.
Oh, si Bong. Meron ako 2. Bibigay ko sa self ko yung isa.
Ay. Wow. Kuya Bong, you've been watching since kanina pa. So supportive naman. So supportive. I think you love me. I love you too. May nakabili na rin. Of course, of course, of course. Look! Sabi niya, sarap ko, by the way. Ah! Yes, ulan. Ulan ng great songs sa Skydome.
Sabi ni, okay, Sai, Jasmine mo kami ng girlfriend ko. Manood muna kayo sa concert ni Rain.
Oh, you will see Jas there. You will see Jasmine there then. You can be seatmates with her if you know.
Manood kayo sa concert
Okay,
ni
bye
Rain.
na. Sige. Bulinaw, Pangasinan. Shout out, Pangasinan.
Ang daming natataranta. Kalma lang, guys.
Ako din natataranta po kasi kailangan ko pa po mag-sign up. Let me do this, no? Paano ba?
I-create a password. Oh, nakabili na kami rin. 2 tickets SVIP. Sana makapag-pick sa'yo. Yes!
Yes!
Regalo ko sa sarili ko yung SVIP ticket. Sabi niya, I want Kyrene. Si I am Leia Ging naman nagsabi yung 2 SVIP.
Aw, thanks guys. See you there. See you there. Sana we can make small chikahan kahit it's a meet and greet.
Nafa. Ate Vanna!
Ate Vanna!
May 2 na po akong tickets SVIP. Ibibigay ko.
Small chikahan kahit it's a meet and greet.
Nafa. Ate Vanna!
Ate Vanna!
May 2 na po akong tickets SVIP. Ibibigay ko. Kay yung isa.
Ayun! Timing!
Kaysa!
Kaysa! Bakit ganito, Ate Joss? Tingnan mo.
The person, because my requirement kasi, the password is required and not empty. Magbawa ka ulit.
Ayun ang akin.
Kasi read like mo. Dapat same.
Ayaw. Where's she the last?
It's not the same.
Huh? Lami. Ime. Teka lang. Oh, ano yun? Nangyari?
Oh.
Hindi ko na password ko.
I don't know.
Pabos na SVIP left. Let's go!
Oh, let's go!
Let's go!
Hello.
Wait, pati ako natataranta. Wait lang.
Go. Sinong We can't kasi, like, walang account rin. So,
Teka lang, I can see it kasi guys.
Bunso's panicking. Cute!
Who's that?
Ano may nagsabi? Yes, Keisha. Keisha kasi guys, she's busy.
2-7 Almost said my bad. Oh, which region? Sige. Wala
Sabi niya, can you smile?
So many uy.
KK, sino nakabili na ng ticket?
Guys, come on, let's get our tickets!
Nanonood lang si Kai, nataranta ka na. Hindi, nag-ano siya guys.
I'm signing up to see. Hello! Let's just hope for the best! Guys, do not kalat that.
So, bili na kayo ng tickets, guys. Sa SVIP, you're gonna have a meet and greet with Rain. And then you search your... I think you need to log in. May account ka na.
No.
You know,
It's okay, I signed up it.
save. You save it now. I got school in like 4 hours and it's 3 a.m. and I'm watching you. Oh.
Aww. Why? Oh. What do I do?
You're not logged in. Bro. Yeah, log in.
Ah. Hala, sige ka?
Okay.
Hala ka?
Yeah, sabi ni Nina Dolls, don't buy an SVP
Ay,
ticket.
gusto mo,
See you,
ay, gusto mo,
Rain.
para.
See you, Reina. At
See
ko
you.
Manila kung free akong ticket. Parang bagay.
Hala, friend ko yun eh. Huwag ka sinaw.
Grabe, ang bilis magsibili.
Wow! Sana nakikita ko rin katulad nyo, no?
There. Okay.
What? H6 ng JVR.
Sold out. Yes, manifesting sold out tickets for Meet Your Rain.
Sold out tickets for Meet Your Rain. Sige. Bro,
Bigyan mo na.
nakikita ko sa inyo, nakikita nyo. I can't see.
What if you click that?
Doon.
Wait for like legit copy. Bakit ka unverified pa?
Oh my god, this you?
Manol. Ay! Wait guys, hindi kasi namin makita kung like...
Ah!
Boom?
Boo? Tomba.
Dalawa na. Ayaw niya. Dalawa.
Ano ba?
Hindi siya ma-delete.
Ito, baka...
Siyempre, valid kasi dalawa yung...
Kaya nga, tapos ginawa mo pa. May bagay.
May basher dito. Grabe.
Thanks for taking the time to comment. Ay!
Alam niyo.
Aw, love you, Justin Rain from Saudi. Aww. My lola used to work there, you know.
In Saudi?
Yes. How about yours?
In UK?
Oh, that's cool.
Bakit invalid?
Ayun, ayun yung ata ipakita
Is
sa
that
akin.
your ano?
What?
Ayan, that's your email.
Wala eh.
Guys, we can't see ya.
Baka you can. Kaya nga. Thank you, Derek! Thank you po.
Oh, are you?
Are you? Okay. Yeah, I chatted you kanina. You did not reply to me. Like, di ba?
Suton.
Eh, ba't pumunta ka dito?
Kasi wala ko kayo Guys, we... Oh.
Ah, thank you, Estro Pigandeza, 25.
Oh, ba tickets na?
Sino nakabuy ng tickets? Kasi ako hindi pa. Wait lang.
Meet your lane. Meet your...
Wow, you're gonna fly from Davao and you got SVIP tickets.
Naanak ko
See you.
SVIP. Unta makaduol ko
Yes,
sa
of
inyo.
course.
Lilipad pa ako from Davao. Pag
Wow!
SVIP, may ano ka eh.
She can fly!
Pag SVIP, meron naman kayo meet and greet kay
Yes.
Rain.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna cry.
Cry me a river. I
I'm also gonna
can't.
cry kasi I can't see.
I can't also. Why nung ano, kay Jaren or like, yung sa
Gusto
atin,
Jaren?
nakita ko.
Really? Bakit kailangan ko pa ng ano?
Pero paano ba to? Can I like, baka pa. Do I message Ate Yani?
Yeah, can you try?
Mama Joy?
Sabi po kasi. Wait lang. Ayun. Hindi ko na-mute. Charo. I wanna visit Bicol din. Have you seen the mountains? Malamang, nakatira ka dyan.
Yeah, Jaren keeps on saying,
I always just pass by. Like, kasi we always road trip from Cebu to Manila. So I pass by.
seriously?
Yeah. Ano ba? I told you na many times ah.
I didn't say na all, you didn't say always.
Talaga na napapass by siya. We always see the volcano. Ang ganda. We always stop by for picture pa rin.
Bakit may hollow blocks? Bakit kayo naghanap ng hollow blocks?
Pero kung gusto mo yung hollow block, pwede ko naman po i-request.
Ayaw niya.
When I'm not...
Oh, because it will generate a new code,
Eh,
dapat.
kaya nga, but it's not even giving me another one eh. So, paano ba yan?
Walang option like verify new, like give new verification code.
Bakit sa ilalim? Try mo nga mag-mix sa'yo, bro. Try mo daw. Ikaw. Wala. Hotdan ka rin. Okay, my mom is the one updating me na lang kasi she can see it. Whoa!
Whoa, that's crazy,
SVIP,
guys!
paubos na! Wow!
Paubos na.
Ay! Wow!
And then what is that? Is that VIP?
SVIP din.
Oh, I'm gonna cry. Almost full ng SVIP.
Pakita mo si Ate Jazz, of course.
Sorry. Nakabili na
Aww.
tita. Sabi mo, pasama.
Kasama.
Unahan SVIP, bro! Aww. Tell your mom, hiram ka na lang ng ano. Hiram ka na lang ng account.
Oo nga, mom.
Oh, sabi ni hearing. Basta siya. Hi, Rai Mili.
Aww.
I got my tickets and I'll bring my friends with me.
I'm excited to see you and your friends.
Got my tickets already.
Wow,
Sabi
there's a
ni
filter,
Karen. Oh, may filter. Ay. Ooh.
Ay. Sino si Jazz?
Jazza.
Jazz.
Jazz. Ay, tomorrow pa di siya?
Tomorrow. Ang what?
Si ano?
Dili ang fly.
Pabalik here? Or pa out?
Set.
Ah. Oh, sabi ni,
It's me.
it's me, Sean. Tian. Reyna, may tickets kami. Thank you so much, Lord.
Aww.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, guys.
You're so sweet. Come on, reindeers.
What is up with the filter, no?
Bakit hindi siya mawala?
Ah, wag na. Mag-filter na tayo.
Huwag naman yan kung mag-filter ka.
Uy, si ano? Si Nico.
Sino po si Just siyang at Rain Lester? Lester, manood ka!
Hello, Lester! Paubos na SVIP, really?
Reyna, mulo pa dyan mi diha gikan Surigao padulong diha sa Manila.
Oh, thank you. You know, she's my best friend from
Nico,
Surigao.
oy, bibo kayo.
Pagwapa ni Jazz. Nag-isa.
That's
Ano yan? Ate Jazz, you play with the filter.
Bakit hindi mawala yung filter?
Ayan na, ayan na.
Ayan na normal. How do you put it
Ayun na
down?
eh. Ayun. I'm so smart sometimes.
Sana sa album launch mag-ranking. Patay po ni
Smart yan. Parang gusto ko. Yay!
So, sinong nakabili na ng tickets? Oh my gosh, kaubos na yung tickets, guys. These are amazing.
You know what's also making me crazy? I can't see it.
So, she doesn't know. Para daw may thrill. Well, and it's only been 20 minutes since you
Wow.
can, ano. Oh, sabi ni Prince loves you all. Na I'm going to Manila just to see you po.
Oh, thank you po.
Dito may dumagetit di just mag-march. Ano tayong pag-march? SVIP sold out?
Yeah, be for real, be for real, be for real. Be for real, because I cannot check.
Let's get na
Be for real, bro. Bro, I cannot, I'm so... Nasa-stress na ako sa account ko na to. Please.
Rain, wag mong tingnan.
Bakit?
I can't see it. Oh, no.
Wow, from Pangasinan to first timer na naman.
Oh, sabi nila si
thank you so
I
much.
love you, be.
Love you guys, love you.
Si Lester yun.
I love you, be.
Yung dinner nila, just.
Oh, beef. Nangulo ko na sila. Crazy, 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 crazy. Just like an angel. Just like...
I still don't get it now.
You get it. I saw you dance. 1, 2, 3, go. Ako talaga dancer dito.
GeForce Rain!
Usa ka masayo, asa dira, boy. Hey, hello, Pearl. Tanaw, boy.
Konti na lang ang SVIP.
I wanna see also.
Tell your mama.
Wala. Nag-emote na yun dun.
Malapit
Uy.
na daw ma-finish.
Wow, Lulu was from Ilocos Norte. See you soon. I love you. See you soon. Manonood pa si Charlie. Tanungin niyo si Charlie.
Si Lester. Mangyayari yan, Lester. Kailangan.
I'll eat alone na lang forever. Ngayon,
Ano
sige.
naman? Kapit na mahulot, SVIP left.
I wanna see. Bakit ayaw?
Walang option din kasi, no? Ano?
Let me just do it again. Can you please entertain them?
One row na lang daw na iwan for SVIP. Si Hera uuwi ng Earth para sa... Si Hera, like, Goddess Hera.
Wow, thanks.
Hello, everybody.
Ta. But it said hi, Reina.
Oh, okay na. Nakapasok ka na.
Nakapasok na ako?
Or, I don't know. Wait.
Meet your Reina. Look up. 21 seats left for SVIP left. Wow! I'm still crying.
Oh, view event. Then proceed.
Yan naman siya. Verify na naman siya.
Verify.
Just an angel. Just like me. Tara! Please type verification from email. Please tingnan naman siya. New verification. You liar! Everything. No. To activate, please use the code below. Pero wala naman. Aha, batayin niya Ate John. Please send another code.
It's an automated.
Malay mo.
Oo.
Stop. Ay, mahal mo na ako? Get a ticket now. It's watching. Wow, kanina pa si Jeremy G. Ate Ann. Oh, ikatris ka na mo.
Buy your tickets,
Buy tickets!
guys. The suspense is killing me.
I know. I cannot see. Ay, wala yan. Bro, bakit tayo mag-send another code? Let me just try typing.
Di ko alam paano pumunta sa Skydome, pero para sa iyo rin, handa akong maligaw.
Ooh. Grabe ka. Di kita liligawin. Bro, ayoko na. Ba't ayaw? I cannot see, guys. I cannot see. Aw, my mom purchased a ticket. Yes, finally. She replied.
Handa akong maligaw. Mangligaw?
Jazz? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Pretty?
Pretty? Ren, pwede ka ba isama sa pag-uwi ko after ng concert mo?
Pag-isipan po natin yan.
What's the genre of your album, Reina?
It's very versatile talaga eh. Kasi you can hear a bit some of R&B, some of pop.
something to eat.
Yeah, go. It's just puro sweets dun eh.
Oh, did you try this?
No, tara.
Parang, ano siya? Hindi siya masyadong...
Ay, pero it's cute eh. Ay, masyadong matanggal yung weight ah. Ni Jerry.
Whoa! There's an eye.
Okay.
I tried this nung dito.
Yummy.
I mean, it's all cats.
Marami pa dun. Did you try the Kinder?
The what?
The Kinder there. I love it.
Which one?
Like a box.
Ah, this
Oh,
one?
yeah.
Why, I haven't tried.
Oh.
Ito yung same sa egg.
What if you tie it back?
Hindi siya nakatay kasi kanina. Nakatay ba?
Oh!
Entertain your fans.
Yes.
Diba?
Yay, Bisaya. Come on, guys. Let's go. I cannot see it pa. I'm waiting for my mom's account. Okay, ito. Ito na.
Tonight will be the night.
Bro.
What's this? What is this?
Hindi ko alam eh. Huwag na yan. Baka, ano na yan?
Napulto?
I want ice cream.
Tonight.
Let's get ice cream. Ito na, please.
Ay?
Ay. Don't bash my Ate Jess, ah. Ay, here. Ow. Ito na. Is it it?
Yeah, ano din siya left?
Dami naman verification. What does that mean?
Ren, nakabili na ako ng SVIP. Makikita muna ako.
Finally, I'm getting to see you na.
Oh.
Libog na ko. Wow, so much obstacles.
Taro nga.
Ooh!
That's VIP.
We can see now. SVIP, right?
Gamay na lang.
Gamay na lang, crazy kayo. Ang sadi, ay, buta ka, uy. Ooh!
That's left.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow!
Slay kayo reindeers.
Grabe yung reindeers, bro.
And everyone who bought. Ay, gorgeous, bumili kayo.
Ay! Parang wala naman din siyang sinabing mali.
Na.
Pumili nga kayo. I'm curious about this one. Kasi, Reg, you think?
What?
Ooh!
Auntie na lang din.
Wow! Grabe kayo, guys. This is quite fast.
Andy!
Oh! Andy Abaya! Andy Abaya, did you buy na?
It's only been 30 minutes by.
I know,
and
right?
So many people bought na. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. I'm gonna cry.
Wala nga doon.
Grabe yung hoy. What?
Nung makita yung buong picture ng ganito.
I know, right? I wanna see ganyan.
Di ba ganun yung nangyari sa ano?
Why is it like this? Ay, kala ko naman. Kala naman sold out.
Manifesting.
Yes!
It's only been 30 minutes.
It's gonna be
Sige
sold
nga,
out.
iyak. Sabi ni Andy.
Si Andy medyo may pagka ano talaga.
Invite me.
Invite you? No, I don't think she means live. Do you mean here? Iyak or we won't believe. Yes, yes, mother. Nakapasok ni.
Oh, since Arjas, lagi kayong nagko-comment, manood kayo sa ano ni Rain.
Check mo nga din
Concert.
si Arjed. Andy Abaya! Get a ticket now! Disgusting. Yeah!
Yung ticket.
You get your own! Wait lang. Oh. Whoa.
Baby.
Yeah.
You're so quick.
You're so quick, guys. I swear. So quick. Ooh.
Guys, na nakabilisan ba kayo na side? Left side, right side? Just have a conversation.
I love the conversation.
Nico, Bella.
What happened, though?
Why you crying again?
Ano sound system taga-adjust ng mic ni Reyna? Thank you po! Thank you po! Actually po, Auntie Abaya's gonna be my marshal po doon. Ate Jazz, what are you gonna do there?
Me?
Yeah. Ate Jazz gonna perform. She's gonna wrecking ball.
Supporting our girl. Marina. Ay, kung isang mahubo ka.
Di mo makita agad. Kasi Nico, miss ka lang. Ako di ay.
This side kay layo man, wait. Asa ka nga side?
Thank you. She said this side.
Wow, backstage pass.
Anong kilala ko? Marami po akong marshal po. Si Emilio po, marshal ko din po.
Kaso busy kasi.
Kaso po kasi parang...
Busy na yung ano natin. Bestie ng lahat. Where can you buy all? Promote.
Where can you buy an all SM out... Ay, ano yun? Wait lang.
smtickets.com.
Hindi, all SM tickets online and all SM tickets outlets. Nationwide, guys. So, if you see an SM mall, you can get there also. You just go to the SM cinema booth. Then you make sabi there, I wanna go to meet your Rain. And then you go boom, boom, boom. Si Rain na po yung bodyguard namin. I think that is actually totoo. Kasi, I'm gonna guard you from... Wala na ako entry.
I'm gonna guard you. And I will guard your heart.
Paninindigan kita. Guys, alam mo ano pa yung nationwide? Actually, worldwide. Yung paninindigan kita ni Ate Jazz. Worldwide, bro. Pumunta na siya sa Australia before.
Germany,
Oo.
Saudi.
Oo. Talaga. So, if you wanna hear more of that,
Okay, bili na kayo tickets, guys. It's been 35 minutes and madami ng...
Yeah, mauubos na, bro. Thank you so much,
Thank
guys.
you, guys. You are also amazing reindeers and other rain-tastic plants out there.
Ah! May subot ta.
Is that
Ooh.
his baby? Wow.
Nag-transfer sila.
Pag seats.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Siyempre, di pwede mag-SVP mo, mama. No, moment and greet.
I know, right? Paano yun? But of course they want that. Oh, let's go. That's actually quite fast, guys, for 35 minutes. 36.
You guys are amazing. Thanks for your support.
Yummy, no? You don't like it?
Dun,
I like
dun,
it.
dun, dun.
Yuck! Just
Ay, masarap.
mismo na.
Pero
What?
mas gusto ko yung ganun. Yung sa egg.
I know. Iba pa rin siya. Different siya. Parang kanina pa nag-watch si Andy Abaya. Parang okay, tama na po.
Miss you, Andy.
Parang
Oh, bakit?
miss you, Andy.
Di pa nga kami nag-ano. Dapat mag-lunch na.
Gusto niyo mag-lunch? Sa album launch?
Oo, sabay na kami punta.
Na-meet ko na si Mama ni Jazz. Mama ni Ray naman soon.
Na-meet mo nanay ko? Saan mo na-meet nanay ko?
She's not touching that.
Papatanggal ko na lang yung ilog ko. See?
Ni Andy. Huwag kayo maglandian dito.
Pangarap ko yung t-shirt niyo. Pangarap ka namin.
What?
Oh, sa live. I told you.
Ay, sorry. I didn't understand.
How?
Okay, let me. You have to request kasi.
Oh, there.
I hear.
You're live.
Hello, 1621. Bubble buckle.
DJ.
Oh! Oh, what's funny?
Wait! Hello guys, huwag na kayo bumili ng ticket.
Bye-bye. Ay,
Please
Joke.
advertise properly.
she's very green.
Oh wow, she's wearing green. I think she loves me. Tinanggal
Good
talaga.
guy.
Rain!
What?
Where's my ticket?
You have to get it yourself.
Dapat buong cast ng Laps manood.
What?
We're invited, di na kailangan mag-buy.
Sino nag-invite?
You! I see.
Mag-bye ka na, Sinag.
May taping daw that day.
Grabe siya.
May taping daw. I'm gonna wear glasses para wear matchy.
Kaya pala.
Why are you quiet na?
Kasi you're not.
Okay, guys. Do you know she's gonna perform also in Mars and in Jupiter, so you have to get your tickets there.
Wait, that's spoilers.
Sorry!
Very special guest is si
Oh my
Andy.
god! Don't tell anyone. But that's
Ay.
a surprise.
Special guest si Andy.
Yeah.
Andy will dance here.
Di nyo alam, present ako dun.
Saan?
Kasi na siya sa Mars.
Hi! So guys, if you wanna see Andy and Ati Jazz, Wrecking Ball and my album launch.
Why?
Sabay si Andy.
What's the...
No way! Kakagising mo lang ba? Ba't you're so gulong-gulong?
What's the reference for Wrecking Ball?
Wala, kasi someone commented kanina, they want to see me Wrecking Ball. Sabi ko, kayo na lang.
Ah. Actually, that's part.
Andy, get a ticket now.
Okay.
You have to be a good role model.
I'm gonna get one for free.
Masyado na pong makapalang face ni Andy Abaya.
Joke. Sige na.
No!
Where do you buy?
SM tickets online.
Ano kalahati na is ano eh. The VIP.
What?
Nasa likod na.
SVIP?
Yeah.
No, that's front. That's front.
Wala bang backstage pass?
Meron naman if you get SVIP and then you get VIP and then you get regular.
Tatlo.
Oh, you guys. You heard that.
No.
You have to buy all the seats.
Exclusive for Andy
Yes.
na yun.
Yeah.
Tatlo kasi po ni Andy.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba nangyayari dito?
I thought you have ano.
Ano?
You told me.
What?
I forgot what you call it eh.
What is it?
I forgot nga. Hey, wear your green ano again? Ano ba naman yun?
I have to take-
Mag-advertise.
Oh, sige. Is this your... Ah, yeah, your color is green. Oo nga pala. Mukhang kalbo eh.
Saan ito kita pala? Is she coming?
I don't know. She's not answering.
So, sumali po siya sa live para mag-ayos ng hair niya.
Yeah. Para magpaganda. Guys,
Are you home?
rin sa bahay ko.
Uy.
No, I'm in the condo. But I'm going home in a bit sa south.
Oh, okay.
Ala. You're going home? Why are you going home? You're not, meeting up with me?
Didn't invite me naman.
Tama. May point ko naman.
Yan ka naman eh.
I'm inviting you to watch my album launch.
I am gonna watch.
But did you buy tickets na?
I'm still gonna watch without tickets. Madali lang yun. I thought I was a Marshall.
Ah, really? Hindi, I feel like you can just walk there. They won't pansin kasi you're so cute. Cute.
Guys,
So, guys,
pwede na
don't-
kayo mag-leave dito.
Don't
Wait,
away
eto,
my Marshall, guys. So scary,
if
guys.
I were to be your Marshall, walang makakapasok ng walang ticket doon.
Talaga.
Tapos kailangan 5 tickets per person para makapasok.
Ikaw pala, dahil lang walang manonood.
Rain, mag-guitar ka daw.
Si Andy po kasi yung coach ko. She's not here in person, so I cannot.
Ano ba yan? Dinamay mo pa. Mag-guitar ka daw. Ano ba yan?
Why are you wearing the same glasses? Bro,
Kasi I
you have a crush on me.
Eh,
Okay, enough na.
ano
What did
nangyayari,
you-
guys?
So, in 17 minutes. 17? I swear. 17 minutes.
Ano?
17 minutes. The live is gonna end.
Ah, bakit?
Yes. Kasi, parang, I've been talking to you too much na.
Oh, sige. I'll leave na. Bye-bye.
No! Naman, so tampo.
Konti na lang daw magsusold out na. Tiraan niyo ako ng isa.
Akala ko ba tatlo puwet mo?
Tiraan niyo ako.
Come on!
Magmamagic
Yes,
show
na.
doon, guys.
Sabi, pag 17, bibili ka na kaagad, tapos pag grade, di ka pa bibili.
Pag ano?
17.
Anong 17?
Di ba 17 yun?
The group?
Oo. Hirap ko.
Hindi nga ako nakabili doon eh.
Aw. Ay, dito, bumili ka na sa akin, kundi dalawa pa yung mamimiss mo. Ano ba?
I am going.
You're going?
Doon na ako sa sa labas.
Sige, I'll see you there.
Para in and out yung support.
Actually, you know, that we're gonna, di ba, Sky Dome is our roof? We're gonna take it out, tapos magpapa-fireworks.
Yes, nasa
Oo, so,
fireworks.
when we open it, you jump na lang to go inside.
Hindi. I'm the firework itself. Guys, Reina hates me. I'm gonna go.
No, I
He
don't!
hates me. Yok!
Papakute ka dito, yuk!
Alam nyo, si Rain, ganyan-ganyan lang, pero excited na ako makita niyan pag nag-taping na kami. Tingnan mo.
Akala ko excited makita sa album launch. Ay, mauna pala yung taping!
Wait, may taping nga sa album launch mo eh.
Not all.
Paano na yun?
Yeah.
Paano
So,
na yun?
I cannot absent taping. So, yung magpo-perform sa album launch ko, ikaw.
Nasa-taping ako. Okay lang yan, guys. Pag may taping man kami, habol na lang daw si Rain.
Yes. Mauna na po kayo.
Kain muna kayo. Okay.
And,
Jazz, why is she hiding?
Kasi
Pinalis mo siguro.
yeah.
Alam mo naman mag-CR. Ano kaya?
Andy.
Jim? What's it gonna do?
Andy, I know you miss me.
Yeah, I miss you.
You only met once.
That was not once.
No.
I mean, you only spoke to each other.
Sorry, Rain.
Sorry, Rina.
Sometimes you just gotta
Ay,
accept that.
pintuan po dyan.
Napaka-bully ni Andy.
Yeah. Buti alam niyo na po. Ay!
Why me lang? Kung alam nyo lang kung ano yung totoong ugali ni Rain Salmar,
Talaga.
one day, I will break my silence.
Parang that's not about me. Ah! Okay, enough.
Okay, that's when you stop talking, Rain.
That's when we stop.
Ano pang nangyayari?
Sino na
I
nakabili?
don't know. I think I will end the live if Andy will buy now.
I got na ticket.
How many?
10.
Came out of your nose, ah.
Yeah, I got na.
Artista, yun po siya.
Ganun lang.
So, dapat kayo rin
Monsters.
10. Dapat ungusan nyo. Ay, dapat ungusan? Yeah.
What's umusan?
When you go over me?
Umusan?
Umusan?
I don't know. Basta
like, lamangan.
buy more than me.
Yeah, lamangan.
Okay.
Lamangan pala.
Sa Tagalog. So, umusan is not a word.
I feel like
Umusan is a
umusan
word.
is
I'm gonna search it up. So that I have a reason to
Umusan.
umusan. Gorge.
It is a word.
It's that.
Ungusan, like UNGUSAN.
I don't know. But that's a word, right?
No. Andy, we're Bisaya.
Mali-mali pa tinuturo ni Andy. What is she trying to say in Bisaya?
Lamangan.
Kailangan, amangan, papasun.
Apasun. Ingna. Ingna, Andy, apasun ni mo.
Di ba?
Well,
Apasun
that's a
Andy,
bad word.
ingna ni mo ba? Ingna ni mo nga. Apasun to ni mo.
Papasun ninyo ang tickets na po.
Andy.
Mo, baka that's bad word eh.
Hindi yan bad word.
Kasi I would say it. Oh my gosh. Ingna.
Oh,
Umusan daw is a word, oh.
Oh, diba?
Wow, so you're correct.
I'm
Wow.
always correct.
You're smart
Ay,
today.
lampasan is Bisaya, lagpasan is Tagalog.
Lampasan is Bisaya.
Yeah, lampas. Like, lampasin ninyo akong ticket. Hindi po.
Lampasin niyo ako ticket.
Ay, galing.
Hindi
Yes. May word po na umasan.
lampasan. Are my comments late ba?
I don't think so.
I think you're late.
Pero kasi, di ba, Instagram, like, Instagram na slower.
Supportive naman ni Andy.
I can
Okay,
even read
read
what you're reading.
Kasi it's slow. Or baka mas late sa'yo.
I feel like my
Anyway,
comments-
Andy has to go and everyone watching.
Yes, we have to go.
Bye.
This is more. Love you, Andy. Bye.
Thank you so
Love
much,
ya.
Andy, for guesting in my live.
Thanks for guessing the live.
Bye.
See you soon.
Bye.